It can be really confusing to know what expenses you can claim for tax purposes when you're self-employed in Ireland. However, the main rule you need to remember is that for an expense to be allowable for tax purposes, it must be directly related to the running of your business. So for example, in the case of a computer, you need to make sure you claim for the cost only if it's being used solely for business purposes. You can claim on the cost of the day-to-day running of your business. This includes purchase of goods for resale, wages, rent, repairs, lighting and heating, running costs and lease payments of vehicles or machinery, accountancy fees, and interest paid on any loans to finance business expenses. If you own a car that's used for both business and personal purposes, you're entitled to claim a percentage of the running costs. For example, fuel, repairs and servicing that relates to business use. Travel from home to work and vice versa cannot be reclaimed. However, if you travel between one place of work to a location where you need to work temporarily, a portion of tax for this mileage may be claimed back. There are a couple of ways of calculating a mileage allowance. You can claim a fixed rate per business mile. In this case, there is no need for a detailed breakdown of fuel costs. Or you can claim on a mileage rate basis. This method must be used consistently from year to year if chosen and provides running and maintenance cost coverage. It also makes an allowance for depreciation. There are certain expenses you cannot claim for tax purposes, and these include things like personal mileage not related to your business, client or staff entertainment, clothing and food costs unless it's a business trip where you're forced to eat out or if it's not a normal food cost. Remember that you should keep records and receipts for all your expenses. These guidelines offer an overview of expenses if you're self-employed in Ireland. However, sometimes it just isn't clear-cut. At taxback.com, our dedicated self-assessed team can answer any questions you have about expenses and help you with your self-assessed tax return. So contact us today.